Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring the mouse is powered and in pairing mode. Weak batteries often cause failures, so swap them if needed. On your PC, open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices and turn Bluetooth on. This activates the radio. Next, choose Add Device and pick Bluetooth. Windows will scan. Once you see the mouse name, select it to pair. If a PIN appears, enter the 1 shown or 0000. This establishes the initial secure link between devices. Once paired but not working, investigate drivers. Open Device Manager and inspect Bluetooth adapters and human interface devices. Yellow warnings indicate issues. Right-click the Bluetooth adapter to update driver automatically. If that fails, uninstall it and restart Windows so the driver reinstalls cleanly. Also check mouse entry under mice and other pointing devices. Update or reinstall that driver too. Make sure power management settings do not. To finish, remove the mouse from Bluetooth settings and repair to clear pairing glitches. This often fixes intermittent control. If problems persist, test the mouse on another computer or try a USB receiver to determine whether the issue is the mouse or your PC's Bluetooth radio. Run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter and, if necessary, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. If nothing works, consider replacing the Bluetooth adapter. External USB dongles are inexpensive and frequently resolve radio hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.